All right, is the audio working now? I just posted this video, but the audio wasn't on, so we've had to fix it. Welcome to a live trade edition of Jim of All Trades. Yeah, I'm on Facebook. This is my Litecoin swing trading community. If you want to join us here, you can find us. Just search Litecoin swing trading community, and you can come and get these live trades and charts set up all the time. We invite you there if you're not already there. We got a great group of people there. Well, let's look at Bitcoin and Litecoin. I see a trade setting up here. I want to kind of share it with you. Before we jump in, let's just go to the 15-minute chart. I was expecting that this was an ABC, but with that last video and the last dive, it looked like it was breaking this low and it was going to continue on, but it did not. It did not hit the 1618, so I'm still thinking that this was indeed an ABC correction. Now we're heading up for a one wave, and it looks like that one wave may be complete or close to it. So that means if the one wave is complete, we're looking to enter in on the two wave. Let me explain to you the way I think about it. Even I like to wait for price to reverse, and so it's clear. Then I like to count the waves as they're being created. I want to see 5 waves. So as I see those 5 waves, I should expect 3 waves coming back. So if I see those 5 waves going forward and 3 waves coming back, so we should see something like this: a one wave, and then a two wave coming down to at least halfway to 3/4 of the way, two, and then we're on for three. And this, well, then we're going to have a four and a five, obviously. And don't worry about that. That's just the shape of the wave. That's not the size or what to expect exactly. But the point is that right here is your entry point. This is where you. This is where we're thinking about entering. Right about there. We that way we know we've got a confirmed reversal with 5 waves. It should be followed by 3 shorter waves, and then it should be followed by 5 waves. And so from there, for 5 waves up, that's what we're looking at. We are on the RSI seeing some divergence, so I want to be thinking about that. We've got an upward. If this is on the 15-minute chart, so we've got downward movement in price, while the RSI is widespread divergence on the 15 minutes, so we're expecting a reversal. I'm not entering here. Let me explain to you why I'm not entering there. Let's go down to the 2-minute chart so we can see it. Looking at potentially here, let's see the fibs on this guy. On this works in all time frames. Okay, looks like we came up here for the 3 wave right about there. This could be the 3 wave, and this is a 4, and we're coming up here for a 5. So I'm not exactly sure what that wave count is, but it doesn't matter because basically we've got a 1, we've got a 2. Now that could be the 3 here and here, or this could be the 3, 4, and we're coming up for 5, something like that. Or if the 3 is already in, it's here. And then if we have a short 4 and a short 5, that also could be 5 waves as well. We're not sure. So, but whatever the case, after 5 clear waves, and we're close to making that, we should expect an ABC. So we should be expecting something like A, B, C coming down, right? So that's what we're looking for. Let me get this fib off of here so that you can kind of see what's going on. So we're looking for retracement of about 50%, usually down here towards the one wave, anywhere from 50% to the 618 retracement, which is right in here. That's about 50% of that wave so far, depending on how tall that wave goes. So we're looking for retracement. So what I'm looking for is 3 waves coming down and then a reaction. So if I begin to see that reaction there, I'm gonna enter long, and we're gonna go here for a long trade. So we're watching price. We're gonna see if this actually does it. Now, say it doesn't. Well, again, we got to understand the scenario as well. This could be the 4, and we're coming up here for 5. But then again, after that, if that's the 5, again, we're still waiting for an ABC. So we're still looking for this. So either way, I'm looking for a retracement down to this level. And when price comes down here, there's my entry point at the $5,400 mark, somewhere in there on BTC. But I'm actually not trading BTC on this. I'm actually going to use this chart to trade the LTC chart. So the LTC is a lot harder. You can see it's a lot harder to count. But again, I'm waiting for a pullback down to about 50%. And once I get that, if it stops and then it begins to have a reaction there, we're gonna enter long. if price enters, starts going our way a little bit and then reverses, this trade is nullified, and we're going to have our stop loss below this low right here. So we've got a very short stop loss right here. So if price continues to go down, then this count is incorrect. So that's what we're looking at. But I think this is going to be a high probability trade, and might be a good. I'm not sure if it's going to be long term or short term, but it's a good setup setting up right now. So I hope that helps you think about it, using Elliott wave to enter in. So we've got a one wave potentially finished. It may come up here a little bit and then come down, but we're waiting for it to come down. Don't enter up here. Wait for it to come back to you, and then take the trade. So we're waiting down here somewhere around 71.50 or something like that. That's a good high probability zone. That way, if it goes against you, you're only out $1 or something per Litecoin, and you can stop that trade out. Okay. What I'll do is I'll update you as more information comes along. We can actually see that price is now beginning to move higher than this, so this wave might be, this actually might indeed be our our 4 wave right there, and this is coming up for 5. So we're looking for a reaction. Off of this, off of here somewhere after this 5 is complete. We got to wait and see when this 5 is going to be complete, but it's coming up. It should be complete soon. We'll see a reaction and then ABC coming down. Okay, all right, there's your live trade. Hope that helps you think about taking a trade. All right, I'll update you on the way the trade's going in another video. Have a great Tuesday. Wednesday, whatever's today. Have a great Wednesday.